So the five steps that will revolutionize your content creation for social media, you know that feeling. You spend hours of editing your content. You are poor, your heart, you're into crafting, and it's never-ending cycle of creating, editing, and even scheduling. Just when you think you're finally done, it's time to start the next video, the next post, the next story. So it's exhausting and it's draining your creativity energy. So let's be honest, it's not why you start doing this in the first place. You started to share your passion, to build community, not to become a full-time run to the clock editor. So, but what if I told you that the bottleneck isn't you, it's just the workflow? In the video, I'm going to show you your 5 genuine revolutionary AI tool that will slash your content creation time and transform your workflow forever. And I'm not talking about generic chatbots. I'm talking about specialized AI that will I have personally been testing for months. I have waded through all the hype and found the 5 platforms that are actually built for creators like us. So these are the tools that will give you back your time and let your focus what you do best is creating. Let me show you Jasper AI, your personal copywriting genius. Let's start with the most universal pain point for every single creator, the blank page. So that blinking cursor on an empty screen that just seems to mock, and when you need to write a caption, a script, or a blog post, this is where our first tool, Jasper AI, comes in and completely change the game. So just think of Jasper as your dedicated world-class copywriter who's available 24/7, never gets a writer block, and it's the most important part can learn to sound exactly you. Its entire purpose to take the struggle out of writing, whatever is for social media, your website, or your video script. The biggest problem is solve speed and consistency. No more burning an hour trying to dream up a witty hook for your next Instagram post. So now the future that truly set Jasper apart is incredible brand voice capability. This isn't just picking a generic tone like friendly or professional. Jasper can actually scan your existing content, your website, your blog, whatever you give it to. So learn your unique style and your vocabulary and your rhythm. Okay, so Jasper just helped us write ton of amazing content, but now we hit the next wall, adopting a scheduling content across all different platforms. We all know what works on Instagram is a disaster on LinkedIn, and the tweet is not a Facebook post. So this is the copy-paste tweak and pull your hair out phrase, and it's where our second tool, the Buffer AI assistant, becomes an absolute lifesaver. So Buffer has been a top-tier scheduling tool for years, but it's a new AI assistant turns into a command center for your entire content strategy. So the problem is solved, that painfully painful process of repurposing. So it's built to take one central idea and intelligently spin it out into perfectly formatted posts for each social network. So here is what makes it so powerful. So the Buffer AI assistant is a channel aware. It just knows the unspoken rules. It knows the character limits of X, that longer, more professional posts work on LinkedIn, and that Instagram is all about engaging caption and the right hashtags. So let's walk through on an example. So say I just published a video on YouTube, the ultimate guide to starting a podcast in 2025. That video is my big rock for the week. And instead of starting from scratch for my other platforms, I go into Buffer and just use repurposed content. Future just pasting in the YouTube link, and the buffer AI gets the work done. So it doesn't just grab the title, it's analyze the script to understand the core message, then it gives me a whole set of ready-made posts. For X, it generates a punch 5 tweet thread with key takeaways. For LinkedIn, it drafts a more professional long-form post about the business case for podcasting. For Instagram, it creates an engaging caption and even suggests ideas for a new post using clips from the video. So with a single click, I have got a week's worth of promotional content and intelligently adapted. So the editing form here is minimal. So if I want a LinkedIn post to be a bit more formal, I just click and repurpose it. So if a tweet is too long, just click and shorten it, and just use the other tools. So it's also incredible brainstorming partner. If I'm out of ideas, I can use the generate ideas for future, and it knows my needs, so it will suggest relevant topics. So I feel like can immediately ask the AI to draft the post about it. So this changed my workflow from a serious, boring manual task into a streamlined strategic process. So I'm no longer a content factory worker. So I'm just a strategist, and Buffer is my command center here. So we written our content and we scheduled it, but now comes to the question that keeps every creator up at night. Will this actually perform? Are we posting at the right time? Is this idea even any good? So this is where our third tool, FeedHive, comes in. It's not just for scheduling, it's an intelligent optimization engine built to make sure your content actually gets seen. Biggest problem, FightHive solves the crippling uncertainty of content performance. So it uses AI to shift you from a post and pray strategy to data-driven one, predicting what will work, and my favorite part is squeezing every last drop of life out of your content. So the first performance prediction, as you are drafting a post in FightHive, its AI analyzes in real time and give you an engagement score. So it look your copy, hashtag, schedule time, then compares against your past performance and industry trends. So it might even say this could be better. Try adding couple more relevant hashtags. It's like having a social media strategist looking over your shoulder, basically. But the absolute game changer is the content recycling system. We creators think that one post is published and is dead. FightHive says no way. It lets you build your library of your best performance evergreen content. So here is how it works. Let's say I have a post that performed really well 6 months. I can label this post evergreen in FileHive and set up recycling rules, so I can tell it to republish it post from library every 30 days, but now on weekdays. So I can even write different caption variation to keep it fresh. So FileHive AI will then automatically find the perfect time to repost it using a different variation each time. Suddenly, that one piece of content I spent hours on isn't just one hit a wonder. So we covered writing, scheduling, and optimizing, but what if you want to go and all from one place? Juggling writing tool, a design to like Canva, and scheduler is fragmented, and it's a immediately workflow that will help you. Blaze AI was built to solve. So Blaze AI is a true all-in-one content creation and distributing platform. Its mission to stop endless tab switching by integrating AI writing, graphic design, and scheduling into a single dashboard. So it's for the creator who wants to go from one idea to a fully designed, written, and scheduled post in one fluid motion. So the magic of Blaze AI is how to combine these elements. You don't just generate text, then just go somewhere else to make a graphic. You start with a single prompt, like create a motivational Instagram post about importance of a consistency in fitness using a blue and gold color palette. After you ask for these, Blaze then work on multiple fronts at once. Its AI writer generates a powerful caption while integrated design to create a matching visual. It will pull from a stock images or generate a new AI graphic that it fits the theme and applies your specified color palette even. So you get several design options to choose from, all fully adaptable. So in under a minute, you have a complete content package, a great caption, a beautiful one band graphic. You are not downloading or re uploading images or copying any pasting text, it's all right there. So the editing process is just as seamless. You can just click to the graphic and tweak the text, overlay, swap to the ground, and then you can edit the caption right next to it. It feels less like using a three different tools and more like working on one cozy project space. So once you're happy, the built-in social media calendar lets you schedule the post directly to your account. So the entire journey from initial idea to the published post happens in one place. For a solo creator or a small team, this is a massive advantage. It replaces multiple subscription and importantly, eliminates the mental drain of content switching. So you're not a writer, a moment, a designer, a next, a social media manager after that. You are just a creator bringing idea to the life. So we have seen tools that write, schedule, and even design, but about operating an even bigger scale, but about managing content for multiple clients or planning an entire month of posts in one go. So this is where bulk creation becomes your superpower, and it's where our fifth and final tool, Predis.ai, truly shines. Think of it not just an assistant, but as your own automated mini content team. So the core problem Predis.ai solve is the sheer volume needed for a high frequency posting schedule. It's built from the ground up to the automate entire content package and copy, design, a hashtag and do it to bulk. So a standout feature is generating complete assets from a single prompt. For instance, if you ask for an Instagram carousel about three common mistakes a new investor make, it won't just give you a caption. It will generate three or four slide kind of example. Plus, will you optimize hashtags so it hands you a finished product and ready to go. But the real power isn't just the bulk creation. Let's say I get to work and create 10 fully formatted posts. Each has one unique copy and custom design graphic and the relevant hashtag. I can then review all 10 in a dashboard, make any small edits and schedule them even. A task that would be taken days of back and forth writing copy, briefing a designer, getting approvals, is now crunched into a single hour of focus work. It's an absolute game changer for anyone managing multiple accounts. So another powerful feature is a multi-language support. For creators with a global audience, this is a huge difference. You can create posts in English and then with a click have a Pratt's AI generate localized version of another language, helping you scale your reach without hiring a team of translators. So using Pratt's AI feels like you have unlocked the cheat of code content volume. So it's a force multiplier giving a single creator to output a small agency. It's for when the demand for a content feels overwhelming and you need a system to produce high quality post a scale you never thought possible. So there you have it. Five genuine revolutionary AI tools that can fundamentally change your creative content forever. So we started with the Jasper AI, your personal writing genius that learn you a brand boy. We moved to the Buffer AI assistant, your repurposing hub that adapts content for every platform. So we leveled up with the FeedHive, the smart optimizer that recycle your best content for you. And we saw the Blazer AI combines everything into one seamless workflow. And finally, we unleashed the power of scale with Predis.ai, your automated mini agency. So by using these tools, you are not just saving your a few minutes, you are reclaiming your most valuable asset, your time. You're automating tedious work so you can get back to what matters, connecting with your audience, dreaming up brilliant ideas, and sharing your passion with the world. So, but world of AI is moving at lightning speed. So now I want to hear from you. What are your go-to AI tools? Is there any game-changing platform I just missed? So just drop your favorite in the comment below. I will read every single one, and I'm always looking for the next great tool. So I've also put links to five tools in the description. Just a heads up, some of these are official links, which means to add no extra cost to you, so you can support this channel. That support let me keep you testing and making videos just like this one, and I'm incredibly great for it. So if you got any value from this video, do me a huge favor and just hit the like button and just subscribe for more content. Will save you time and help you grow. And be sure to check out this video right here where I show you how to use AI script your videos from start to finish. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next time. Bye bye.